Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just actually raised my hand to turn on my video to record and it started recording on its own. So be it. Don't know why that happened, but anyways, I'm back today with a plan with me in my pocket rings. I am using a kit. It's actually March 27th through April 2nd. I'm using a kit from Jolly Sticks. It's called Time to Bloom. Super cute, springy kit. Lots of boxes, which is what I need. So, and then I pulled these two washi. I think they go well with this kit. And these are from, this one's from So Cute Planner. This one I think I just got at Michael's or something. I can't remember really. But anyways, let's put some washi down first. And we're just gonna kind of eyeball it. Don't ask me why, but for some reason I put the dates at the bottom. So that's something. I guess I'm gonna put the day of the week at the top, I think, though. So let's do that as we do our washi. Let's start with Sunday. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of washi at the bottom of each page. And then put the day of the week up at the top. So, what has everyone been up to? I've been getting a lot of videos out, which I like. I like to put out a lot of content. I don't know, I just find it very therapeutic to I guess I'm kind of talking to no one right now, but I know you're all going to see this, so, and then comment, but it's therapeutic just to talk to y'all. So, what has everyone been up to? And, how about the gas prices? Hello? It is, about, see there, I put the date up at the top. Gas went up to $6.15 yesterday. So, that totally sucks. I'm in California, so probably one of the states that has the highest gas prices. It's actually very ridiculous. And food prices out of this world in California, and so many shortages. I mean, there's stuff that you go to the grocery for, you don't think twice about it. And I wish I'd known earlier, I guess, that I needed to be stocking up. So Friday is April 1st. But yeah, so we are on I say a strict budget, but then I go out and spend money, but so be it. I can't take it with you. Friday, and then Saturday is the last day of the week, and it is April 2nd. We're actually going to a concert this week. A Mercy Me concert, which is a Christian contemporary group. Is Greg's favorite group to listen to. And during the Christmas season, I got a text on my phone from, oh, I can't even think what it's called, the Ticketmaster. That's what it is. Ticketmaster. And they had concert tickets on sale. Pre-sale is what it was. Pre-sale. And so I booked it over there and got tickets for him for Christmas. So we're finally going. I just want to tear this little piece off. We're finally going, and we're gonna do a little overnight because it's a little far from our house. Well, it's about an hour, but driving on the freeway in California is extremely dangerous. So we're gonna stay the night, and so we don't, you know, get caught up in blooming lovely. It's your time to bloom. And don't get caught up in any, you know, accidents or anything like that. Because I'm telling you, it is so dangerous on the freeways in California. Not just from speeding and accidents. Traffic is just outrageous. You know, there is a lot of speeding and a lot of accidents. You'll notice here in California, one of the things that I noticed when I first came here was that everybody, pretty much everybody, has a crashed or dented car. And the reason that is, there are so many accidents in California, and they can't afford to turn the claim in on their insurance because it's too expensive. So, insurance is just outrageous out here. And yeah, so it's crazy. But there's also a lot in California, you hear a lot of road rage and on the freeways, like it makes you afraid to, you know, you don't cut people off. If they get on your tail, you let them around. You don't make an issue about it, because you have no idea if they're just gonna reach out and shoot you. There's a lot of that here. So freeways, you don't mess around. So we're not gonna drive at night. So there is all of the boxes, and then I need let's see, one for church, and then I need a box for trash and cleaning. And then I need a bigger box, probably this size, for my YouTube content there. And then on Monday, I don't have anything yet Monday, but I do have to take pick Greg up this week in Walnut Creek, so I put that there. And then Erica comes also. So yeah, so we're gonna spend the night overnight at the concert and then come back the next day, which worked out good because the 31st, when we're going to the concert, is Caesar Chavez Day. Never heard of it. We don't celebrate that in Indiana, so I don't even know much about it. But they have some holidays here in California that I'm not sure I know about. Like, Cinco de Mayo they take off for. We didn't observe that in Indiana. We didn't. They take all the holidays. Like Martin Luther King. Sometimes we wouldn't even get that day off in Indiana. Tuesday, Erica, and then that. Wednesday is Erica. And then we have a small group. Put it down here. So yeah, Caesar Chavez Day is March 31st, so he gets that day off anyways. So he just has to miss work on April 1st. So that worked out good. And then Thursday we have the Zoom small group. Put it down here. And then, let's see. I also have a class on Monday that I like to do. And then Tuesday I listen to a podcast. Wednesday I have a class. Oops, I ripped that one. So, what's up with all of you? And yes, I still need to make that video on Amazon. I have a note under here of all the ways to save money and find deals through Amazon. I will get on that and do that. I need one for a podcast. And then Zoom. Friday I have an appointment. I think we'll just use a couple of these for my appointment. Saturday, I didn't really leave myself enough room, so we will put a bed and laundry, because I washed the towels. We'll just use those kind of as bullets, and I washed the bedding on Saturday. And then on Friday, oh wait, 31st we're going to a concert. We need a little something for that. And then Friday we return. Oh, so I need to cancel my appointment. So yeah, I need to cancel my appointment for Friday the 1st. And I think that's about all. I want the April Fool's Day. Friday the 1st is a payday for me. So we'll put that up here. And then I have let me fix this. I can't stand it if they're crooked. So, also, what's the weather been like for you? In California, which is one thing I love about summers in California. Very sunny every morning you wake up. So, it's been sunny, of course, every morning. But, also, yesterday it got up to 87. 87 in March. Monday is Erica. Erica. Tuesday is Erica. And then Wednesday is Erica. She doesn't really iron for me, but that's what I use the iron for. I think that's about it. So I've used all of this sheet. All of these will go in my extras, except I may use those 2 checklist boxes, but that will go in the drawing for the extras. I will, of course, keep these because I will use them. But I won't probably use the flags. Oh, but I could use them on Wednesday. We have a small group, and I can put the time in there. And then Thursday I have small group. Oh, I won't be able to go Thursday because we're going to go to the concert. So I don't need this. And we're going to move this one over. With this one. There. So these 2 are done. Let me pop this back in my cleaner so you guys can see my week. But this will go in the drawing for all the extras. I'll do that giveaway soon because I have a lot of like leftovers from kids and stuff. So I'll do that soon. So we have Sunday the 27th, Monday the 28th, Tuesday the 29th, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So that is my week. It's not very busy. I'm glad it's not been very busy because it's been pretty warm out and I like to enjoy that. We're going to put our air conditioner back in probably on the Friday that we get home from the concert. We don't like to put it in because we have a window unit, and we don't want to put it in before we travel. So that way just prevents someone from breaking in. But I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful week next week. And I will be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.